Go.
Hey, don't you bark at me, bitch. Are you good?
You're not getting dinner. You was bad. You was bad.
Really had no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Blue, can we say happy Thanksgiving?
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Going for a walk.
He doesn't want to play with you, Vicky.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you.
You look like a potato. Really? Are you sad?